Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores to talk about the only safe way to clean out a clogged kitchen sink with a disposal. And the thing about using an enzyme drain cleaner is acidic drain cleaners can ruin disposals. They'll eat the seal. An enzyme drain cleaner solves the problem. The important thing to using almost all drain cleaners, including an acid or enzyme, is there needs to be a little bit of water movement for the product to get into and through the clog. So if your sink is stopped up dead, you're going to need a plunger or something to get the water moving, and then you can go ahead with this procedure to open the drain. The problem is they're the slowest drain cleaner. It's not just one hit, it'll take 2 or 3 hits. Because one container of this for less than $15 gives you 40 treatments. Kitchen sink, the water's running slow. Takes quite a while for it to drain, but thank goodness it's still draining. So what we are going to use is, through a disposal, we're going to use an enzyme drain cleaner. An enzyme drain cleaner, and this isn't the only one, and isn't the only way it comes. This is a powdered style, it comes in a liquid style. The powdered style's got one more bug than the liquid has, so I'm always the powdered guy. You take and you run warm water. This heats up the pipes and warms up the crud in the drain so that enzyme lives and does more work quicker. So not hot, because hot will kill the enzyme. So I run hot water until it feels warm. I'll let the pipes heat up. Then I'll go to warm. They tell you to take 1 scoop of the enzyme powder and to put it in the 16 ounces of warm water. Now I usually use more than 16 ounces. Usually I use around 20 ounces. It could be a little more, a little less. It's just a little enzyme bug you're going to put in the drain. The water is medium. The warmth of the water is to kind of keep the bugs a little excited so that they're happier, rather than cold water is going to slow them down. And to do 2 things at once, when I pour it into the disposal, I'm going to pour it into a running disposal, so this splashes around the inside of the disposal, gets on all the rotting organics that are in there, and it will open up the drain at the same time. Get anything that I splashed on the outside down the drain, and then now these bugs can live on the crud, and they'll eat at about 3 doses. Really bad jobs need 5 or 6 doses. We don't care. I got 40 doses here. I got a lot to go. I need to leave it as long as possible, so the best way I can do it is to do it at night. I run around with my enzyme cleaner and my container. I'll take care of the kitchen. I'll do the shower. I'll do the bathroom sink. And I'll do the laundry tub. So I pour the whole house. Again, 40 doses. So I do the whole house. I'll do it again the next night. After 3 nights, I've cleaned out, all the drains are flowing better, and my kitchen sink doesn't smell anymore. It'll eat the grease and the organics clean, unclog the drain without an acid. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.